the record, and clearly, by the time you had a chance to correct the record, I would have thought that you would have known that Ambassador Kislyak was at that April 27th session. It received quite a bit of press notoriety. And again, echoing what the chairman has said, just again for the record, there was no other meeting with any other officials of the Russian government during the campaign season.
Not to my recollection. And I would just say with regard to the two encounters, one at the Mayflower Hotel that you referred to.
Yes, sir.
I came there not knowing he was going to be there. I don't have any recollection of even knowing he would be there. I didn't have any communications with him before or after that event. And likewise, at the event at the convention, I went off the convention grounds to a college campus for an event that had been set up.
But at the Mayflower event.
Well, let me just follow this
Yes,
up
sir.
on that one. I didn't know he would be in the audience and had no.
So at the Mayflower
briefly-
event, though,
Okay.
there was this, I guess, kind of VIP reception first, and then people went into the speech. Is that, just so I get a,
That's my impression. That's my recollection.
and you were part of the VIP reception?
Yes.
Yes, sir. General Sessions, one of the, again, troubling things that, that I need to sort through is, Mr. Comey's testimony last week was that he felt uncomfortable when the president asked everyone else to leave the room. He left the impression that you lingered, with perhaps a sense that you felt uncomfortable about it as well. I'm going to allow you to obviously answer and correct if that's not the right impression. After this meeting took place, which clearly Director Comey felt had some level of uncomfortableness, you never asked Director Comey what took place in that meeting?
Well, I would just say it this way. We were there. I was standing there, and without revealing any conversation that took place, what I do recall is that I did depart. I believe everyone else did depart, and Director Comey was sitting in front of the president's desk, and they were talking. So that's what I do remember. I believe it was the next day that he said something, expressed concern about being left alone with the president. But that in itself is not problematic. He did not tell me at that time any details about anything that was said that was improper. I affirmed his concern that we should be following the proper guidelines of the Department of Justice, and basically backed him up in his concerns, and that he should not carry on any conversation with the president or anyone else about an investigation in a way that was not proper. I felt he, so long in the department, former Deputy Attorney General, as I recall, knew those policies probably a good deal better than I did.
Thank you, sir, and I thank you, Mr. Chairman, but it did appear that Mr. Comey felt that the conversation was improper.
He was concerned about it, and his recollection of what he said to me about his concern is consistent with my recollection.
Senator